Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Autumnal Equinox Day. So today we have a lot on our agenda. So I'm currently doing the dishes and we have a bunch on our menu that we're going to be making today, such as some brownies, chocolate covered strawberries, pizzas, and some mozzarella broomsticks. So we are currently going to go to the store and get all the ingredients that we need for today, and then come back and begin cooking. And the main entree for today is going to be pumpkin chili. And without further ado, let's go to the store. Okay, so we just got back from the store and we have all the ingredients except I forgot to buy some stick pretzels. So I am going to have to use toothpicks instead of the pretzels because it's raining outside and I just do not feel like going back out and getting some pretzels. So we're just going to have to do without them. For right now, I'm going to go ahead and make the mozzarella witch's brooms. So as you can see, it is still raining outside, which is fine. It kind of goes with the theme of today, which we are going to be watching Hocus Pocus. That is going to be our movie for tonight. And then our theme for our dinner is related to Hocus Pocus as best as we can, because I do have a picky eater and I have to tailor everything to what he will eat. And then of course everybody will be joining us around 8 p.m. So I have to have everything decorated and set up before 8 p.m. So fingers crossed, everything will work out. basically scrambled egg and cheese skulls completed. That did take a little bit. And we do have the chili now completed, and it's just sitting to cool down for a little bit. Also, I made some brownies, and those are currently in the oven right now. They have about 6 more minutes until we can bring them out and let them cool. So while I am waiting on the brownies, I'm going to go ahead and start to decorate the living room as fast as I can before the brownies come out. Okay, so this is what we currently have to work with. So over here we have more of the candlesticks that we're either going to be decorating or just leaving as is depending on the time, and a bunch of craft stuff over here, which I'm not 100% sure if we're going to be able to get to tonight. Hopefully we can. And then over here I have a bunch of stuff that I usually put out in the front yard and a little bit in the backyard, but we're going to use the Hocus Pocus theme and use these inside. So I have a bunch of skulls, or yeah. So I'm thinking about hanging these over there from the ceiling. Hopefully that will work out. And then this is a light that will project onto the ceiling and around the room. So hopefully this will match the lights, if the lights are going to work, because the lights that I was going to use in here are solar power. So, and of course today is raining, so we don't have much solar. So hopefully it will work for a little bit at least. Last year, I got this book that I was going to use for Harry Potter. I was going to use this for Harry Potter theme, but we ended up not doing it because Orlando got sick. So I canceled the party. So I'm going to use this for the Hocus Pocus, and then I'm thinking about doing a Harry Potter theme on Halloween. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started on decorating. recap on celebrating the autumnal equinox. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a good start to the autumn season, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.